It's Brown Biker Wholeside again. Like, share, comment, subscribe, my friend. This is the channel where I come on. So, in this video today, we're just going to be doing another sort of defensive ride. I don't want to necessarily say it's a tutorial, but this is not necessarily for mod 2. There's some stuff that you can take out of it, some things not. Yeah, I'm just going to be riding around and I'm going to be showing you how to be defensive, which is again having a plan of action before we get to the hazards. You get me? Stay tuned. So when we're watching this video, I want you to think about what I've mentioned in the video before, like the check out and check in method. So just remember that. Check out, check in, check in, check out, check out, check in, check in, check out. Just have that in your head at all times. When you're riding, look ahead of you. Do I need to check out or do I need to check in? Get me? Anytime you're going to turn that handlebar, either left or right, so that's left, that's right, we check out before we turn it to the right, then we check in before we turn it to the left. And that's what I mean by check out and check in. Do not turn this handlebar like that or like that without doing the relevant checks. Pro tip. Come on, man. So we're planning ahead. There's parked cars on the left hand side, so we're just going to be positioned in the dominance of this lane here, because it's two lanes really, and we're going to go straight ahead at the roundabout, straight ahead. So we're looking ahead, we can see a parked van. So again, I'm thinking ahead. So when I come off this roundabout, we're going to signal, check over, and we're going to go straight into position 3. And then we can see there's a parked car up there, so we're going to stay where we are. Okay, I've got to turn a little bit, so I'm going to check before I do that. It's very, very straightforward. So there's no point in going in and back out. We just stay where we are unless we have to move over. You get me? So I'm staying here, but I'm going to turn just a little bit because this car looks like it's going to come over here. So we're going to move over, we check out, and then now it's clear, so we check in and we dominate the lane. So there's no more obstructions in our lane, so there's no reason why we can't just stay in the dominant position of our lane. And again guys, there's over 250 of you guys, and not a lot of you guys have got the notifications on. Please put the notifications on. Okay, so we're going to turn left at the end of the road. So we're going to do mirrors, signal, check in, get into position. Gotta be careful with this one, it's a little bit blind, but we get ourselves in a position so we can go when we can. That car's indicating that way. Okay, so we're going to try and get straight over there. There we go. So if we keep looking like that, key tip, when drivers see that we keep looking over that shoulder, in their head they know that you're trying to move over. So what you got to understand guys is stuff that we do on the bikes can affect either positively or negatively what the cars around you is going to do. Do you get what I mean? And we're going to check out because we're turning right. And don't forget, every time you stop, get yourself into first gear, left foot on the floor, right foot on the brake. Before we move away, we always check around us. So you got check in, check out, and check around. And that's what we're going to do. Check around, with the bike ready to go. So if we're turning right, follow the arrows. And then we wait till it's clear coming downwards before we turn in. We check over the shoulder. And there's 2 lanes, so we want to make sure we're in the left lane. We can look ahead that this road here on the right hand side is shut down, allegedly. So again, we just stay vigilant. Look at this one at the back. See, look, we can see a bicycle right at the top of the road there. And then we're looking to the side of us here to see what they're doing. So I'm going to move over lanes. Watch out for the road surfaces. Going to check that shoulder. So we checked out. Brakes, so we left, right, we check both shoulders before we put them brakes on. What's actually happening? Right, so I was going to filter them. So we check in before we tuck in. See now these guys here, that van there, he wasn't driving defensively. Look at these roads, man, shit. He wasn't driving defensively. He waited till he got right up to that parked vehicle and then he decides to move out. Do you get me? So this is what I'm saying, guys, about being defensive. Plan ahead. Plan. Alright, so we're going to go on the expressway. We're going to check out. So we're going to move over to the left side, so we're going to have a check. We're going to check in. We can see there's blue lights way ahead. Keep an eye on him. Check in again. And then we're going to come off, so we're going to check in. So we're going to left checks, check in. Signal off. Oh, they're coming this way. Oh dear. Right, so I'm going to check in and move out of the way. Go on, mate. Go on, mate. That's it. I wonder where he's going. It's clear, so we carry on, no need to stop. I need you guys to understand that when you're in, not even just in test situations, don't be hesitant. Plan ahead when you come to a roundabout or even a junction. If it's clear, keep it moving. Don't stop if there's no need to stop. Check the both mirrors before we put them brakes on. And it really is that simple, guys. I will keep making videos in different situations. Sometimes it's really hard to gauge because you don't know, what cars are parked where at what time. So you sort of just come out here and you just, see whatever happens. So I'm still in the dominant position. be mindful that there's cars parked on that side, cars parked on this side, so there might be chances where cars are going to start moving into this lane. So again, stay vigilant, always stay no more than 2 seconds away from the car in front. So we're going to check out. That's it. Look at that car indicating there, what's it going to do? See, even when you see stuff like that, you got to think to yourself, if he was to pull out, do I have enough time to get the bike stopped or get out of the way? And these are the things that we've got to be thinking about. See, we can see parked cars again. I know I'm going to have to move over, so I'm making sure that nothing's here. You could have all sorts of things up here. You could have electric Chirons, scooters, even bicycles, especially if you're in traffic. So we're going to turn right at the roundabout ahead. And so we're going to do our OSM, turn it to the right, over the right shoulder. You can see the ambulances there. See, this car, yeah, is right at the back of me. So what I do is I just give myself a little bit of room. So we're using that slow control. That's it. So we go around and around, and then when we pass the last junction, the exit, sorry, we get that signal on, we check that shoulder, we check the other shoulder before we enter, and then we're off again. And we're doing checking out again. We definitely have to make sure that we're checking out over here, check over that shoulder. It. When we're changing lane, we check out. Check in. We're joining this lane over here, so we need to be checking that mirror's cool over the shoulder, and we're good to go. Checks before we put them brakes on. So I'm going to filter that. Right up in front. So again, some of it just ignore, guys, if you don't want bad habits. But on a general one, it was about being defensive. Don't forget, guys, if you like the channel, pick up my supporters, but like, share, comment, subscribe. We out, man. We out.